Of course, with its very premium deliverables finishes, what are the deliverables of...
Pag-usapan natin yung mga units.
Yeah.
Ayan, dyan ako
Typical,
excited eh.
the typical floor units na meron tayo. And of course, how many floors ba meron for each tower?
Okay, for the BenCab, we have studio to 3-bedroom available. So studio is 32 square meters. For our 1-bed, it's 45 to 55 square meters. And then for 2-bedroom, we do have 82 to 98 square meters. And then for our biggest unit, which is the 3-bedroom, it's 126 square meters.
Wow! Malaki yung units.
Oh, yeah.
We are, we are handling different projects all over the Philippines. Pero with that being said, a 1-bedroom and yung studio, nabanggit na ba yung studio?
Yes, 32
32, malaki siya.
Mm-hmm.
Diba? Napaka-spacious. Which is, we all know Kapampangan, very sanay kasi yan sa talagang wide space. So, deserve talaga nila yung isang Rockwell unit.
Correct. And of course, like what I've mentioned, it's really very premium yung deliverable. So, what we have sa tiles, sa flooring niya.
Yes, for the living and dining area, is also the bedroom, we'll be using engineered wood flooring.
Okay.
And then for all of our units has a balcony.